Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Tuesday, May 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen monthly, it does look to me like a big A, B, and wave C right here. If that is a big ABC correction, then that means that this move up is going to be a correction to this last wave down, and that it's most likely going to bounce off one of these fib levels and just end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out that low. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can start to see the lower lows, lower highs that make up this move down, which looks to me like a wave one. I think this is most likely going to end up being an ABC correction, which I think is more likely to go up to one of these Fibonacci levels, maybe end up looking something like that before it breaks structure to the downside, and most likely ending a wave two and continuing the downtrend for a wave three. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, most likely an A. This looks like an ABC, most likely a wave B. And I think we are in a wave C, and yes, does look like it is starting to turn down, but I think it is more likely to go up at least one more time, most likely to one of these two Fibonacci levels. Then if we see a bounce off a fib level with a structure break, that's what's going to tell me that the wave C is over and that we definitely want to try to get long for probably the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a big wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this uptrend right here, and it definitely does have 5 waves, so we may be due for another pullback, another larger pullback that would go down and break this low. But until it actually does do that, I am definitely looking at this as possibly a correction to just this last wave up, and most likely, if that's the case, it would make another higher low and just keep on trending up from there. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, this looks like almost a perfect uptrend right there, and it looks like it is going to end up going down and breaking structure, so we probably are due for at least a bigger correction. But if it does make 3 ways down, if it does make it a possible move up with a higher low, I would definitely take that as a long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. There's definitely no reason as of yet to think that this trend is over on the higher time frames. Shorter time frames are just going to continue to look for longs at the end of any single one of these pullbacks on around the 1 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.